Hello, and thank you for purchasing your AT&T VAB-1 for managed internet backup. Today, I will be showing you how to set up this device. Step 1. Remove all components from the box. Inside, you will find the VAB-1 device, 2 LTE antennas, 2 Ethernet cables, the BGW320 pigtail cable, the BGW210 pigtail cable, a power supply, wall mounting screw installation guide, along with the screws. Screw the 2 LTE paddle antennas onto the gold LTE antenna ports on the sides of the device. Identify whether you have a BGW320 or a BGW210. Here's how to set up your BGW320. If your BGW210 or BGW320 has a black insert on the AT&T port, gently remove it by pulling the insert straight up. Connect the red end to the red WAN Ethernet port on the AT&T VAB-1 and the yellow end to any available yellow LAN Ethernet port on your AT&T router. Take the second provided Ethernet cable and connect the red end to the red ONT port on the AT&T router and the yellow end to any available LAN Ethernet port on your AT&T VAB-1. Plug the power cable into the AT&T VAB-1 and then plug the attached power supply into a wall outlet. To provide power and battery backup to an AT&T router, connect the provided pigtail power cable between the AT&T router and the AT&T VAB-1. Note: you will need to unplug the power cable to the BGW210 or BGW320 and replace it with a pigtail power cable. The router power cable will not be needed. Please store it in a secure location. Since the AT&T VAB-1 device provides power backup to the AT&T router, Wi-Fi services are maintained through the gateway device and are not provided by the VAB-1 device. Therefore, it is not necessary to connect devices to the VAB-1 device, and they can stay connected to the gateway device. If desired, you can mount your AT&T VAB-1 to a wall using the included mounting screws. For optimal results, try to keep the AT&T VAB-1 away from large metal objects. Congratulations! The installation of your managed internet backup is now complete. Thank you for choosing AT&T.